Print wirelessly from mobile devices, printer review. Title: Print wirelessly from mobile devices, printer review. Introduction. In our increasingly digital world, the ability to seamlessly print from mobile devices has become a necessity. Gone are the days of transferring files to a computer and then connecting to a printer. Oh, get a hard copy. With the advancements in technology, wireless printing from mobile devices has become accessible to everyone. In this comprehensive printer review, we will explore the top printers in the market that offer seamless wireless printing capabilities. 1. HP OfficeJet Pro 6978 All-in-One Printer. The HP OfficeJet Pro 6978 All-in-One Printer is a versatile option that boasts excellent wireless printing capabilities. With the HP Print app, users can easily print documents and photos directly from their mobile devices. The printer supports various mobile printing platforms, including Apple AirPrint for iOS devices and Google Cloud Print for Android devices. Its wireless direct feature allows users to connect their mobile devices directly to the printer without the need for a Wi-Fi network. 2. Canon PIXMA TR8520 Wireless Home Office All-in-One Printer. The Canon PIXMA TR8520 is a feature-packed printer that offers superb wireless printing capabilities. With the Canon Print app, users can effortlessly print and scan documents wirelessly from their mobile devices. It supports both Apple AirPrint and Mopria Print service, ensuring compatibility with iOS and Android devices. Additionally, the printer is equipped with built-in Wi-Fi, allowing for ASI connectivity to mobile devices and quick printing. 3. Epson Expression Premium XP 7100 Wireless Color Photo Printer. The Epson Expression Premium XP 7100 is a compact printer that delivers professional-level wireless printing. Users can print directly from their smartphones or tablets using the Epson Print app, It supports both iOS and Android devices. It also provides support for popular mobile printing platforms such as Google Cloud Print and Amazon Fire devices. The printer's built-in Wi-Fi ensures smooth wireless connectivity, while its dedicated photo tray enables high-quality photo printing. 4. Brother HLL2370DW Compact Monochrome Laser Printer. For those seeking a monochrome printer with exceptional wireless capabilities, the Brother HLL2370DW is an excellent choice. With the Brother iPrint and Scan app, users can print wirelessly from their mobile devices, regardless of the operating system. It also supports popular mobile printing standards such as Apple AirPrint and Google Cloud Print. The printer's Wi-Fi connectivity enables hassle-free printing, while its compact design makes it suitable for spaces with limited room. 5. Samsung Express M2020W Wireless Monochrome Laser Printer. The Samsung Express M2020W is a budget-friendly printer that offers reliable wireless printing options. It features NFC, near-field communication, allowing users to print directly from their NFC and LED smartphones or tablets by simply tapping them against the printer. The Samsung Mobile Print app offers additional wireless printing features, catering to both Android and iOS users. With easy Fi setup and connectivity. Printing from mobile devices has never been more convenient. 6. Epson Workforce WF3640 Wireless Color All-in-One Inkjet Printer. The Epson Workforce WF3640 is a powerful all-in-one printer that excels in wireless printing capabilities. With the Epson Connect app, users can effortlessly print and scan documents directly from Air mobile devices. The printer supports popular mobile printing platforms like Google Cloud Print and Apple AirPrint, providing compatibility with both Android and iOS devices. Its built-in Wi-Fi ensures a stable and fast wireless connection, allowing for easy printing from mobile devices. 7. HP Envy Photo 7155 All-in-One Photo Printer. The HP Envy Photo 7155 is a top-notch printer that specializes in wireless photo printing capabilities. Utilizing the HP Smart app, users can easily print high-quality photos from their mobile device. The printer supports wireless printing through platforms like Apple AirPrint and Mopria Print Service, ensuring seamless compatibility with iOS and Android devices. Its built-in Wi-Fi ensures a reliable connection, while the dedicated photo tray allows for beautiful photo prints. 8. Brother Compact Monochrome Laser Printer, HLL2350DW. If you're in need of a dependable monochrome printer with excellent wireless features, the Brother HLL2350DW is worth considering. With the Brother iPrint and Scan app, users can print wirelessly from their mobile devices, regardless of the operating system. The printer also supports popular mobile printing standards such as Google Cloud Print and Apple AirPrint. Thanks to its built-in Wi-Fi, users can effortlessly connect their mobile devices to the printer and print with ease. 9. Canon Selfie CP1300 Wireless Compact Photo Printer. The Canon Selfie CP1300 is a compact and portable printer that specializes in wireless photo printing. With the Canon Print app, users can print directly from their mobile devices, enhancing convenience and versatility. The printer supports wireless printing through platforms like Apple AirPrint and Mopria Print Service, catering to both iOS and Android users. Its built-in Wi-Fi ensures a seamless wireless connection, making it a great option for on-the-go photo printing. With the Epson iPrint app, users can print and scan documents wirelessly from their mobile devices. The printer supports popular mobile